What's up, guys? Tony here. Welcome back. We have a new product today, a new accessory for the 18 Softail. We're going to go out and take a look at it and get it installed. And what we got an HD swing arm bag. They just came out with it. So we are going to head out here to the garage and take a look at it and see what you guys think. I think it's pretty cool. So what do we got? We got a brand new leather Harley Davidson saddlebag. Just came out. It fits, I believe, 2000 and later Softails. So it'll fit the 2018, 2017, 2016. They have a few different holes back here to accommodate what year bike you have. It's genuine leather. I think it looks pretty cool. Cool little like silver tarnished buckles. It does have the strap, but underneath we have quick release, which is nice, so you don't have to mess with the straps. I haven't even opened it up yet, so let's get it open and see what's inside. Probably some mounting stuff. We have directions. We have some protective film for your frame, which when I installed, I think it was a Willie and Max bag on my iron, I didn't use this, and I was sorry that I didn't. So we're definitely going to use that this time around. What's this? Got some leather conditioner. Oh, that's pretty cool. And it looks like our straps. What is this contraption here? Oh, this is pretty cool. So I guess when we strap it in, clamp it down, we can fold this over and keep the straps out of the way. That is pretty cool. You know, I'll give it to Harley. You do pay a little bit more for this stuff, but it's very thought out, and I mean, that is just a cool little feature to have, so this stuff's not flapping around in the bag. We should have 3 of those. We do. Try to give you a shot of the inside. Not very big, but big enough for a toolkit, you know, a phone, registration, just the necessities. So let's take a look how this thing's constructed. Full leather bag except for the back. It is a plastic composite material. That way the bag holds its shape, but everything else is leather. And then also in the bag it has some plastic on the ends and along the edge so the edge can keep its shape also, which is nice. Just nice little features. In here, too much weight in saddlebag can cause loss of control, death, or serious injury may occur. Do not put more than 5 pounds in saddlebag. So 5-pound weight capacity, which is about standard. I don't think I'm ever going to have that much in there. But the quick releases are nice. It's a solid bag, guys. Harley's done it again. I imagine it's going to fit just fine. As far as fit and finish goes, like every other Harley product, absolutely great. I mean, just a beautiful saddlebag. Really going to add a little bit of cargo that I need. I did install the sissy bar for cargo, but that's more for a backpack and camera gear and whatnot, where this is going to be, you know, for my necessities, first aid kit, tool kit, registration, stuff that needs to be on the bike all the time. So this is going to come in handy. Enough jibber jabber about it. Let's go over and get it installed on the bike. Alright guys, so it looks like the first order of business is to get these protective strips on the frame. Wipe this down. Get some of the fingerprints off and peel one of these off and install. Alright, not perfect, but it'll do. This stuff is strictly just, like I said, I didn't use it last time and I really regret it because it wore the paint off my frame when I took the bag off and it just looked awful. This stuff's turning out about as good as I thought it would be. It's going to have quite a few bubbles in it, but you're not going to see it once when the bag's on, so I'm not very concerned, but we ever remove the bag, we can peel this off and the frame will be in like new condition. Do the best you can with it. Doesn't look fabulous, but it's going to do its job. So let me get the bag and we'll get it on. Went ahead and got this bottom strap on. Harley, in the directions, we can see this. They have all the holes in the back labeled to tell you for basically which ones to use, for your particular year of Softail. I started with 4 right down here. Instructions say right in front of the debris deflector, and that's where I installed it. So the next one, slot 2. So slot 2 is this middle one. So we're going to go ahead and run it through slot 2. And I'd imagine it's going to loop up right behind here. Or loop down, rather. And we're going to kind of just loosely install this, get it in place. There we go. And the remaining strap, we're going to go in right through the middle one in the back. I apologize, you guys can't really see this. And we're going to wrap it around the swing arm, feed it back up through, and we're just going to loosely install it for now. Make sure it's where we want it. Alright guys, that's kind of where we want it, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten it down, put it in place, and then we're going to come back and take a look at it installed. So there you go guys, there's the new Harley Davidson swing arm bag for the 2018 Softails. It will fit earlier models without a problem. Like I said, the back has a lot of different slots cut in it to accommodate the different styles of swing arms. Fit and finish, again, is excellent. Fitment was absolutely perfect, as with all Harley, genuine Harley products. Just a really beautiful bag. The details are nice, the appointments are nice, and the solid kind of plasticky back is nice, so it holds its shape. I had a Willie and Max, it's hanging back there on the wall, that I used on my Sportster, and it did not have that back. It just had a leather back. And over time, it sagged and it just didn't hold its form very well, where I think this one is going to, and it looks beautiful. I think it looks great on the bike. And once when you cinch those straps down, it is a very snug fit. It's an exact fit. Unlike the Willie and Max, where it fit, it still had some wiggle in it and some move, and the straps were more of a buckle instead of the cinch, and the install on this one was just a lot better. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, smash that subscribe button. And like always guys, ride safe and be careful out there. And until next time, later.